Hey everybody, Randall here again, and people have been asking me about my custom air cleaner on my XV700. It's really simple what I did. This air cleaner is a standard old 2-barrel style rat rod air cleaner, and I modified it to fit the neck going into my old Virago air cleaner. I cut the neck and I left about an inch on the other side here. There's the part that fit up against the factory air cleaner, and I left that about an inch long, and it fits right inside the throat of this rat rod air cleaner. And then I found a piece of exhaust pipe tubing that was big enough I could shove it in there and stretch it out against that air cleaner. I believe it's 2-inch if I remember correctly. You might have to try to size it. And I just put a sheet metal screw in both sides. It's just real simple, and it just bolts on with a clamp. I was going to take it off and do a little show and tell, but I forgot. That bolts all the way up in there, and I about have to take the gas tank off to take it completely off. But it's just real simple how it goes together. I'm sure you can see that.